I am starting a new Malayalam YouTube channel because this is my phone usage analytics. Most of time I use it social networking. I think more than 70% I use it my phone for social network. So I decided some new plan. So this is my application that installed in my phone and fitness all related, and I have two Instagram account, one for my personal and another for my work related, and this is my Facebook only upload 360 photos. After that I just format my phone and install new application for listening podcast, and I decided to listen podcast in sometimes for improving my English language, and also set some app limit for all social network and set a new alarm for wake up early and going to run, and ordered some book from Amazon, this Alchemist, and this is my new plan. And this is my current YouTube channel, mostly I doing in English stuff and related to Premiere, and this is my new channel, no video uploaded. I have so many plans to upload some kind of art related videos and cinema 4D renderings, video editing, photo editing, art, everything. So if you have any suggestion, please comment it below. So stay tuned with me and we'll be soon.